Welcome to my video. Today in this video, I will show you how to automate your email uh, sending and receiving an auto reply through make.com. So for doing that, let's give you a look how it will look like. Let's say I'm sending the email from my one of another Gmail account to that particular account where I have integrated the automation. So let's send it. So here you can see I have sent the email. So if I go there and just hit the button, and then if I run the automation, and I will see that I have received an email, and then it is sending it to the ChatGPT, and then the email is sending back to the recipient. So let's see how it works. So if I give a refresh, I will see that I have received that email, what I have sent from that account. Now, if I come here and give and go to that inbox, I will see that I get the reply. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. So now let's see how does that happen. So first of all, in the make.com, I have created a scenarios where initially I have taken the uh, get my email connection, like I do connect my email with my Gmail account, and then I select the filter type. I choose the simple filter so that like all of the emails which comes to my account, like inbox, are get automatically replied, and then mark the criteria as all messages, and uh, mark the email messages read for no, and then limit as 10 by doing that, and click the save. And then what it will do is it will look after for each of the email into my account. And then if the email comes to my Gmail, then it's send it to ChatGPT. For that, it will generate the response. So for establish this connection, what I have to do, you need your API key. You need your API key from the ChatGPT and your organization ID. You have to put it, and the connection will be established. And then you have to select a model. I'm using GPT 3.5. And then as a prompt type, you have to say it is a text, and then you have to select the necessary message which is coming, like subject, and then form, and then body, etc. And then you can give a few simple like instruction to the AI, what will be the response, how it should maintain, and then the maximum output token so that it doesn't take so much token and increase the cost. That is why I'm giving a barrier like 50, 500 is the like maximum token size, and then clicking save. The AI configuration has been done, and then at the end I have to send the generated response from the AI to the particular recipient, like a particular sender who send me the email to my inbox. So for that, I have come here and then take another like action as like send an email, where I have to define that to recipient. Uh, so here to would be the from email which I received, and in the subject I am giving the and then the subject line, and in the body type, I'm giving the body content from output content text. It may vary based on the model you select. So for my particular model, it is like that, but you can obviously check yours by like scroll a little bit down and then expand the output, and then you will see your message here like that way how I choose. So you can just need to see a little bit, and then you will find it out for yours. So, and then at the end, I can select the signature as well, which is my email signature on that particular account. By doing that, just hitting save, and the automation is ready to use. Like if anyone send an email to you, it will automatically go through the ChatGPT and it will do the reply for you. You don't have to worry about it. So the email automation has been done. Thank you for listening.